Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing, guys. 29,000 square meters. It's a clean title. Meaning it's a clean title. Meaning the owner, well, the one to sign, and the title is the one to sign to the deed of absolute sale. 100 meters away from here, where we are standing, no? Sa akong gibarugan, at to Girayon, paingon, mga 100 meters. And the owner provide 3 meters road right of way. So ang gi-provide sa owner is 3 meters ra. Kay magbayad man siya og 500 pesos per square meter. So napos mga 150,000 ang makuha ni owner, no? Libre na siya. But if you expand, so you're going to pay, no? Pwede ra gihapon og imong gamuning 6 meters or even 10 meters, ikaw na rin mo bayad. So the property is located here in Barangay Esperanza, Aluginsan, Cebu. Then just very close from National Highway. The Oranis Highway, guys. Water, electricity, signal are available. So let's continue. Guys. No, we are here at very close to the site. So the property is there, no? That's 29,000 square meters. Okay, let's walk, no, a little. So morning gingon, guys, this one is the 100 meters road right away going to the bridge. Asam kaya gyud sa dire? This one. Okay. So 150 pesos per square meter, no? Brato kayo. Asam ta dire?
Ya.
Ada dito. Uy, salikdan man akuan.
Dali na eh, kapsot. Tanga.
Kasuong.
Muna katong sa aganan.
Amo na siya.
Oh.
Dire.
Muna gusto nanda. Muna aganan. Lagi ka dia?
Ha?
Agi ta dia.
Lagi ba tadi?
Oh, tawa. Sige. Agi oi.
Uy, sapa man.
Oh.
Agay, nabobo kita ka tong sinilas ani sapatos.
Kini sa mo ni butanganan og palit ka bisag latayan lang, kawayan ba?
So this is the creek, guys, no? You can make a wooden bridge. Daghan man kahoy dagko.
Oh, pwede.
That
Mo sa na gamit atong dito pikas.
so, this is a wooden bridge. You can make it into, convert this into a wooden bridge. Pwede ta mo balik dito sa agin, yang ana lang ka.
Sa atong
Kato ba dito niya dire ta.
oh, pwede ta. Sobay sapa.
Di lang ta muubog.
Ari kam tunom sa tubig.
Yan lang ay kay muubog ta dire matay.
Aw latay ka to sa kwan, dato na nilatayan dito.
Asa?
Dato na nilatayan.
Oh, sige. So, kuan ra gud, guys, pwede ganin ibutangan nimo og kanang culvert nga dako.
Tinawa hingi.
No? So, you can swim, no? You can swim and swim. Pwede ka mag-figure eight. All free. Sige. Cutting up sa amigo. Okay. So, this is the wooden bridge, no? Kawayan, bamboo. Bamboo bridge. Dako sad noon eh.
lapad na po nitong kontra tong tuwa.
Kato is small pan.
Pero lapas mga pong kawayan no. Hindi gagmay ra gyud gigamit. Bright kining Pinoy.
Oo. Kurakot lang.
Kurakot lang. Taga-assist taga-ano ko sa gobyerno. Aw. Siminto ta to. Kahoy lang ay. Mo na siya. Ada.
So in the meantime guys, pwede tag-ato ta mo agi dito. We'll just leave our vehicle.
Pwede ka motor butan ito?
And here comes the property. We're sailing here, no? Manani.
Mana ada unahan gamay. Tok.
Asar ba to? Okay, di ano?
Mana?
Pwede ta masuot dire.
Pwede pa repikas lagi.
Ano lagi magkuan tayo.
Oh, kada dia.
Tayo.
Dia. Tira.
So mo na gini guys. Mo na gini guys.
Guys.
Uy, labong ba ni?
Lara ni guys.
Asan ta mo agi atong adiri no?
Turo kilid.
Dire.
Oh.
Size ba?
Pero og shortcut ka.
Ito mo na to.
Pwede rin dula.
Shortcut.
Nari, short dog ni.
Short long.
Short lang.
Short nga taas. So asa na to?
Dra.
Dire. Siya naman kagabion. Ay.
Kini mo ni entrance.
Mo na ni. This
Oh.
is the entrance, no?
That's a boundary. This is a boundary. Oh, kini mo ni mo dire.
Mo na gini no.
Oh, tubig oh. Tubod.
Saka ta dire.
Oh. Saka tadi ya. Dire. Dia ka. Yeah. Dato sa dili sa kuan. Pikas lagi nindot dito. Hawan dato. Oh. Mamaya basta guys. Guys. Una pa to dato. Mo na to katong starting dito mo unti entrance. Mo ni siya guys. Kanindot sa guys oh. Dara guys. Oh.
So many trees. Grabe. Gawas akong singot. Basta way practice. Grabe hangat. Yapo ni siya ka ng mga tao bitaw nga to the people won't like neighbors. Dire mo, pagtapok mo dire.
Pero biya gola raman no. Oh, gutas eh.
Ha?
Oh, gutas eh.
Oh, gato siya. Anad bang ka? Nambay akong hawan dire.
Kana hawan gina sa una. Tuba sagbot oy.
Napuno naman.
Hawan na sa una di non. Kini dari gud.
Dili na ta siguro kadto eh. Hawan.
Dana ra, lobo.
Grabe.
Dere. Hawan sa dere. Hawan gina sa una.
Di ara man lagi baligya papikas no.
Oh, mo na katong kwan. Expandable.
Pandabon.
Oh.
Adjacent ni guys.
Adjacent di guys.
dito.
Tugad sa pa. Tugad na po sa pa niya.
Oh, ato ay drone. Drone tagamay be.
Mm.
Napa ba ni power? So this is the drone video guys, no? So di ana gini sa ibabaw. So as you can see, it's really surrounded by trees. Gituyukan gyud siya sa mga kahoy. Like isolated area, no? But there is a neighbor, no? You can see there is a small house, no? There are neighbors in that area. Because of the trees, you cannot see the neighbors. So it's really nice. Then if you are really like to live without neighbor, this is one of the best property. Again, the location is Barangay Esperanza, Aluginsan, Cebu. Then approximately just only 20 minutes drive from Karkar City, the nearest city, no? Because Karkar and Aluginsan is adjacent town. But if you are going to go Cebu City, first you most likely, no, if no traffic from Karkar City to Cebu City, it's just only less than an hour. So mga 1 hour and a half ra gyud ni dire guys. But because of the traffic, but if you can travel around 1 a.m. or around 4 a.m. or let's say 9 to 10 p.m. There's no traffic already from Cebu City to the site. This is really nice. So you can still connect water connection in the area, no? There is a line
Max
of
flight distance
water.
reached.
Electricity, no problem. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So we can process also a transfer of title. So again, the size is 2.9 hectares. The adjacent is also 2.9 hectares. Then the third adjacent is 6.4 hectares. Just contact me at my number. No? Okay. So this is again located in Barangay Esperanza, Aluginsan, Cebu. So you can do many things in the area, no? Poultry, piggery, or whatever you do. So so mo na to guys, nag-drone ta kadiyot. Nakita na to puro mga kahoy-kahoy. So kahoy-kahoy in English words, all are trees. Surrounded by small trees guys. Then there is a boundary of coconut trees which is included to the another 2.9 hectares. So kini man good guys, it will become a total of 12 hectares because the onwards on this property is 6.4 hectares. So still for sale at 250 pesos per square meter. Ano maginagi presyo sa owner as per latest, no? Kinira ang barato na to. This is one of the very affordable, which is the 150 pesos per square meter. So nindot yun kayo guys, no? Elevated going to the creek, no? Di po na to matawag og sapa kay gamay raman sa diyon tinuoray. Small river naman. Let's call it river. Kay nga limpyo ang tubig ya. This is very quiet, no? Very quiet. Oh, na ba biyabas? Ay lang. So pwede diri guys, imo running kuan guys. Kanang land banking, uso manguron land banking. Kay diri magud sa Aluginsan, mahal na gyud mga presyo labi na katong daa sa dool sa highway. The price is ranging already from 1,000 pesos per square meter. So if you can buy this one just only 150 pesos, it's a good investment yun guys. It's a title, really title, pero lang guys ang owner nilarga yun sa gawas. Kanhon na mo nga kuan, pero I think we can have solution on that because every problem there is a solution. Okay. or inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So niabot ko diri sa Cebu guys, ako ra gyud ning ari akong amigo diri nga Tagalog insan. Sa ipa-video ra gyud ako siya diri. So mao ni guys 2.9 hectares natay copy sa titulo basig bugnahon na mo nga once maingon ko I said that it's a clean title, it's really a clean title. Ani man gyud ang buhay-buhay. Mura raming nagsuri-suri pero nagsuri-suri ra gyud. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.